is Thanksgiving, right? Let's make a beautiful craft that's really for this month. Without any further ado, let's get tutorial. Today, we preparing this part for the back. The pattern is same like Halloween gift bag we did, just went up Thanksgiving because Thanksgiving is coming up. So for this part, this is the first step like this, and you can see the line is over here. You can see this, and just fold like this. So this one, and we move to another part like this. It's here's line like this. Fold. It's really easy because the pattern is same like Halloween yesterday. Then we move to the another part. So over here, there's a line over here. Just fold. Same like before. Let's take this here. We move to another part of the back. The back is really the same like before. Just there's a line over here. And fold. Make sure the line is symmetrically. You according the line like this. This is really easy, guys. Just take this. We move to a cute pumpkin for the ornament. It's for in the sides. First one, just take a green one and the yellow one like this. And you have to stick this part and it's like this. Just make sure it's symmetrical of the pattern. The pattern like this. Sticking with this and like this on the sides. Do it gentle. Slow down and take on this. Make sure it's symmetrical. This like this. Make your glue strong like this. Alright, and we move to green one to this part like we did before. Just put the glue. It's really difficult in this part because the cutting is really small, but I know you can do it. Just slow down gently like this. Just taking it pepper here. Oh. Make sure it's straight and symmetrical. Here we go. Our pumpkin is almost ready. We gonna put this like this. Put a glue like before. Like this. Voila. And it's sticking over here. Alright. Our pumpkin is ready. Put it down and we move to another part. The shape is same like this. Make sure you don't flip it up like this. Like this. Just make sure about your glue. Here we go. Our pumpkin is ready. And you will get 2 pumpkins ornament like this for your gift bag. We move to our bag. After we fold like this, don't forget to flip it like this and stick in. And don't forget we have a little curve on here like this. Don't until it's curved like this. No, just slow down like this until the lines over here, you according the line over here is fold like this. Gluing, and press it down. Make sure everything is stick and good. This. Move to the other part. Put it down like this. Let it die. We move to another part. taking it, put a glue over here, like this. Here we go, and stick into this part, and make sure you stick it on the right way, like this. It's really easy, right? Press it down like this. Press it down until everything is sticking. And here you go, voila! Our part is ready. And we're gonna stick this part like this. But it's not using this glue, but with this foam glue. You can use a bigger foam glue, like up to you, or small like this. It's almost ready. Okay. And stick it on this. Make sure, be careful, make sure it's straight like this. Very cute, right? Just move. It's this one or this one. Okay, here we go. Stick it on it. Just make sure it's straight at your back, like this. Voila! This is your Thanksgiving bag. You can put the candies into this. See? Ready for Thanksgiving! What is this? This is done. This is the craft for today. You can content with a candy or cake or cupcake if you want everything. You can customize this size, you can customize this color, it's fit on your you want. If you already made this craft, just share to our community in 3zcraft.com. Thank you for watching and happy crafting!